Police in Lauderhill are investigating a deadly double shooting. It happened last night, and police say 2 men were the victims. CBS 4's Terry Hornstein is on the scene with more on the investigation. Terry.
Yeah, good morning. A lot of emotion out here. We saw distraught family members just in tears, walking around, pacing on the phone, trying to figure out what happened here, why this all happened. But an active scene still here. This is more than 12 hours after this happened, around 9 p.m. last night. Still police out here, but a lot of the crime scene investigators have left the scene at this time. Well, take a look at what it looked like out here earlier. This is from our chopper. You can see investigators out there. They tell us they were called to this neighborhood after reports of gunfire. They found 2 men with gunshot wounds here in the complex. Both men, they say, died in the parking lot. The medical examiner's office on scene around 5 a.m. Neighbors say they heard a bunch of gunshots over and over again. Most people we spoke to didn't want to talk on camera, but one woman spoke to us without showing her face and says this isn't the first time she's heard gunfire in her own neighborhood.
I heard, a barrage of bullets, and I was wondering what was going on. It was definitely terrifying, definitely. So I'm really saddened right now.
Yeah, a lot of people with the same sentiment, just really scary, heard that barrage of gunfire. And again, they say they have heard this before. This isn't the first time they've heard gunfire in this neighborhood. I even spoke to one neighbor who says a bullet came flying through her window last year. Now, witnesses on scene did tell investigators that a third person was involved here. That person was gone from the scene last night after this happened, but a hospital in Tamarack did call investigators and say a man showed up with a gunshot wound. Investigators tell us, though, they are still working to piece this all together and to find out, to be able to confirm whether or not that scene is connected to this one. Of course, as we learn more information about what happened here, we'll bring it to you.